in the old Evanston hotel. Look, the apartments still have the old hotel key card locks. I wonder if this may have been a hotel up until not too long ago. Anyway, if we come in this door here labeled exit, we have, of course, the stairway, but also the service elevator. You can tell, of course, this also used to be something old, probably a manual, given the age of the building. These weird Dewhurst buttons. This too got thoroughly modded. What are those fixtures? What the hell? Complete elevator, so that's who did the mod on these. Look at these fixtures. They're Adams key switches. I think these are Dewhurst. Very weird. This looks like an older door frame. It is. Look, there's not even a door frame. It's just the part cut out of the wall. Look, the side of the car actually is narrower than the door frame. It's not aligned. What is that? Of course, it's got all the, not all of it, but it's got padding up around it for freight and moving stuff. Ew, that hasn't been cleaned in a long time. Anyway, that will be all.